Happy Friday, everyone. Now, for once, it's been a lull in the market this week, but I think if any of us actually wanted time off, we would not be in crypto. The 24/7 market strikes again, and we are going to be going over some of the most important things that happened this past week in today's weekly market briefing. So without further ado, let's get right into the Bitcoin price. So here we are, taking a look at the daily chart. Now it's sitting around just below 27,000 at 26,800, almost 900. Kind of bouncing around in this channel that we saw tested even back in May, and then tested again towards the end of July and the start of February. So this channel that we're currently in has been tested quite a few times, just below that 200-day moving average. Not great seeing us hang out below that. As you can see through the run up here, we were consistently above the moving average as soon as we broke it. So certainly losing a lot of momentum here. Now that's not to say the Bitcoin ETF doesn't get approved in a week and we see a change in momentum towards the upside. But as things are looking right now, we're below 200-day moving average. We broke this diagonal trend line, and we're just kind of bouncing around in this channel that we've previously touched plenty of times. Switching on over to Ethereum here, sitting at 1665. Now we have seen a bit of a move up over the past few days in this channel down here. Just like Bitcoin, we're just kind of hanging out in this channel that we've touched several times before. So really, I see this as being in a similar boat, just taking into account where Bitcoin's at. Now we did break out of what you could call this descending triangle, but the move has not been very aggressive so far. Doesn't look like there's a ton of momentum. We're really not seeing all that much volume down here either. So overall, the charts are reflecting that lull of the market I think we've all been feeling this past week. Not too much movement. I mean, bouncing around from high 1500s to high 1600s. Not huge movements. We did, however, see some interesting developments in the NFT market though, so we'll go ahead and switch over to boom. PayPal applies for NFT marketplace patent for on or off-chain asset trading. So reading into this article on Cointelegraph, PayPal made major progress towards creating its own blockchain ecosystem by filing a patent application for an NFT purchase and transfer system. Now I think PayPal is very clearly setting the tone for where they're headed over the next decade and even coming decades. With the launch of their PayPal stablecoin supporting crypto for payments, and now this patent for an NFT marketplace, I don't think you can write it on the wall any clearer. So getting on with the story here, so the patent application, which is still pending, describes a system where users can buy and sell NFTs through a third-party service provider. That provider is not specified, though Ethereum is mentioned in the text. Now really, there's a lot of implications to this approach of an NFT marketplace. And while the DeFi veterans say, not your wallet, not your funds, you can make a similar argument here in this NFT marketplace. Its transactions will be both on and off chain, much like the way that centralized exchanges work. But what this does is lower the barrier of entry as far as complexity for a world of new users. This approach will allow for extremely efficient buying, selling, and transferring of NFTs. No more paying the infamously high Ethereum gas fees. And what's maybe more interesting is multiple wallets will essentially be able to hold the same NFT. Now granted, they're in the same account, of course. PayPal is not just going to let everybody hold your NFT. But if you're using multiple wallets, you can access your NFT from multiple wallets. It's not just stored in one on-chain wallet. So make sure to comment below about what you think PayPal is gearing up for in the years to come, as well as where we're at in the market. It's been surprisingly quiet. This is not like crypto. We are in a bear market. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed. If there's anything I didn't cover that you would like to hear about next week, drop it down below. We always read the comments. Happy to hear from the community. Make sure you guys are also in our Telegram, t.me/official CoinScan, following our Twitter. All those links will be down below. We've had some extremely exciting updates recently. We've seen a lot of the news outlets covering our most recent fundraise, which has just been finalized, and we are excited to have the resources we need to make a difference in this space. Anyways, we hope you join us on our mission to bring users like you real-time organic information 100% of the time. This has been Evan at CoinScan coming at you with your weekly market brief, and I will see you guys next week.